Assalamu alaikum. So the conditions are, number one, you had to have worn the socks on wudhu. Number two, that the socks are covering up to the ankle. Number three, that they don't have holes more than like the size of a quarter. Number four is that they don't exceed the limit if you are a person that is not traveling. So we would be talking about 5 prayers, consecutive prayers, counting from the first time you lost wudu. So therefore, we're talking about losing wudu. If whenever you lose wudu, then you would start counting 5 prayers, and then that is for a person that is not on a journey. If the person is on a journey, we would be talking about 15 prayers, which adds up to on making for 3 days. Now, those are basically to include the wiping for wudu and not for a major impurity, because a major impurity requires ghusl, requires a complete shower. Minor impurity just requires wudu, so therefore you simply would wipe on the sock in replacement for washing the foot. So those are the only conditions. There are some conditions like the Hanafi madhab that considered that they must be leather, that they must actually have some leather bottom, etc. But all those different conditions, there are differences of opinions. I'm just making the story short. Assalamu alaikum.